Hey everyone, this is Seth, your detail doc, live from Bay City. Just wrapped up this 2020 Chevy Silverado. We did our 9-year ceramic coating, window coating, wheel coating. Check out that amazing, beautiful gloss. Stunning. Ceramic coating is going to make it extremely easy to wash and maintain. Have long-lasting shine. It's a glass-like layer of protection, giving you wash marring resistance, chemical resistance, protection from bug etchings, UV oxidation, all that nasty stuff that the weather can throw at it. Absolutely beautiful. Crazy gloss. Comes with a 9-year guarantee. If you guys would be interested in ceramic coatings just like this, make sure to give me a call, 989-244-0505. Visit my website, www.thedetaildoc.co. I'd be happy to help you guys out. Thank you guys for watching.